And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January 31st, 2019. I'm just pouring a little coffee. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's right, you junkies. Get in there, grab your coffee. Let's sit down. Cheers. And we're going to enjoy checking out the market. See if the market made us any money today. I don't know, but it could have made us more coin. It's either one or the other, right? So let's check it out. Total market cap. I'm cool with making more coin, by the way. Cheers to you. A little Sumatra with heavy whipping cream. My. Let's get comfortable here. There we go. All right. I'm using a different chair. I broke the lever thing on my old chair. Darn it, I really like that chair a lot too. Anyway, total market cap at $109 billion. We're slipping a little bit here. Absolutely slipping. You can see it right here. Not much going on. Just a little bit of sadness. We're getting massive dip in volume here. This is really sad. Let me pull up some indicator real quick for you. Favorites, go into volume, add that bad boy right in there. Let's see if it pops up. There it is. Boom. Okay, let's back it up. Okay. Volume? What do you think of that? I guess we're getting increasing volume. Kind of. Or is it selling volume? I don't know. Let's just look at it like that. That's easier. All right, there we go. Okay, so anyway, volume's dipping out of the building. RSI is coming up though. I do like that. If you look at money flow's in the negative, and just this whole overall thing is just kind of flat sadness. That's okay though. No big deal. Let's move on to BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. You notice I put some buy zone areas in here. I can pull this one out of here. We don't have to look at that. But notice how like I put in this buy zone here, and the market blasted off, and then it came down, boom, took off after that. We had a bunch of buyers right here that rode it up and then sold. They sold. That's our selling area. They sold down, boom, bought it back up, right? Coming down, boom, bought it back up. And at some point the buyers were like, you know what? There's no profit anymore. These little pumps that we get now, like there's no point in buying into this market if all we're going to get is these little baby pumps. So they flat out stopped buying. Buyers quit buying. And it made this entire waterfall sell-off, right? So now we've given the market a bunch of breathing room in which to make some moves and to make some profit. So hey, if I can't make profit buying at 6,000 and selling higher at like 8 or possibly 9, then I'll just not buy at 6,000 and hold my cash until it gets down to the buy zone, the next buy zone, which is what was set up over here. And you can see we barely got anything out of it again. So this is really concerning to me. I'm hopeful in only one aspect. The hopefulness is that we're working on something kind of like this right now. Like this over here is a lot like this, where we came down into the buy zone and we made like this W, okay? And now we're in the buy zone coming up, right? And I'm hoping that once we get down to like 3,300 or 3,200, that we get a pump that comes up, and it'll look like this, where it comes up like that, right? So I hope we get a pump, because there is, in my opinion, there is this gigantic void right here where there wasn't much trading. It's almost like the market needs to come back and back test where we were at our old buy zone, right? So now this buy zone now becomes a sell zone. So we're going to back test the sell zone. Boom, right? Let me show you something. These are just my theories. It doesn't mean it's going to work out like this, but if you're hopeful, I think we're going to come up at some point, maybe not here or here, something like that, up into the buy zone and get smacked down. I don't think we're going to punch through it. You're going to hear people screaming, oh, it's up to, 50, 55 or 58 if we get that high, and they're going to say, we're going bullish. Don't believe it. Don't you believe it. Not for a minute. Because I believe the bears have other buy zones in store for us. So once we get smacked down there, we'll maybe come down and retest this buy zone. Hopefully it'll hold up again. But if it doesn't, we could drop down to this buy zone here, where we're either going to dump out right into this buy zone here with complete weakness, or we're going to, it'll hold and then we'll run up, hopefully. I don't know. These are just ideas I'm just throwing out there with you guys. I do recognize this as that's held as a buy zone for quite a long time. I can tell you exactly how long it held for here. There it is. So from this day forward till here, this buy zone held for 282 days. So yeah, that's pretty good. That was a while. Okay, now we just barely entered into this buy zone. How long has it been? I guess our entry could be considered there to here. 71 days we've been in this buy zone. So yeah, and I think that honestly it's this whole these buy zones are just going to keep breaking down until we get a full complete chart on the the traders chart. So we get a complete chart, and then it'll flatline, and then it'll start working its way back up. And as soon as it flatlines and starts working its way back up, boom, baby, you're in bull market. Okay, it's not gonna be raging bull. It's just gonna be, hey, little bull, how you doing? Okay, so there it is, $3,412 on Bitcoin. Stay out of it currently. Yeah, let's pull up indicators. Yeah, there's nothing to see here, people. Stay out of it. XRP, USD, let's add in this and this for your viewing pleasure. Okay, there we go. XRP, BTC, still a buy. Remember yesterday's conundrum? Remember I was like, it could be a double top right there and then a pull back into the red. Well, what happened is the bulls were super pumped, man. They were ready to rock and roll, and they pushed this thing all the way over the Kumo cloud. It was quite fantastic. And let me give you a little more room here. And yeah, it was quite fantastic, this pump, and that ran up this high, and then along comes the bear and just smacks it down. Boom, all the way down, almost to our 9-day moving average. It was just beautiful. Now, remember, I got caught because I didn't reset my stop buy. So I missed a huge opportunity here. So let that be a lesson to you guys. Let my blunders be your lessons. Always set your stops, especially if it's on the main coin you're trading. Make sure they're set. And I'm not going to help you with stops. You're going to have to figure that out on your own. That's money management. but I am going to help you with the trends. The trend is up currently. We're doing really well. I don't know how long this trend's going to go up. It could have total breakdown where, it breaks up like this and then starts breaking down, down, down. We could see that. This could be the top. And I'm actually thinking that it is the top. This is our brand new candle today. We just finished up this one at 4 o'clock. It's currently at 4:40. So yeah, I'm thinking that this is gonna trade sideways for a bit, and then we're gonna have some more breakdown. So that being said, yeah, I'm not real impressed with money flow on Ripple to Bitcoin right now. On the 1 day for Binance, it's just really not there. So let's, it's still a buy, but only for now. How about XRP USD? It's at 30 cents right now. Yesterday we got as high as 33, almost 33 and a half. On XRP USD on the 1 day for Kraken. It was fantastic. It was nice little pump there. I mean, anyone in it could have made a little bit of money there. Let's stay out of this, right? Let's call this a sell for now. Let's see. Yeah, we're going to call this a sell. So I'm putting it in as a sell right here. Boom. That's the one we're working on. But XRP BTC is still more bullish. Okay. How about Bitcoin Cash USD? This is on the 1 day for Binance or Coinbase. I'm sorry. And it's still a sell. Still trading sideways. We're not getting much out of this market here. Yeah, just kind of trading sideways. Yeah, stay out of it at $113. LTC USD is $31.29. Stay out of it. How about LTC BTC? LTC BTC is still a buy. Love what Litecoin's doing here. It's, it ran up, basically came down, traded sideways, and came up a little bit. We could see, I don't know. Everything looks good here. What's going on? Let's go higher. What Litecoin's doing? It's coupled to Bitcoin and is having a hard time breaking away. So that being said, stay in it. How about ETH BTC? ETH BTC is still a sell. We got out. Boy, nailed that top too, boy. That day. Ho! 5th of January. I said get out. This doesn't look good. And that was a delicious call. If you are in ETH, you're loving life. You are loving life. You got you picked up, 25% now already. Whew. Okay, ETH USD. It's currently at $105. We're slipping. When we said get out, it was 160. It's now at 105. On the US dollar, it's actually we're making more ETH on the USD apparently there. Boy, I love coffee. Okay, so ZRX USD. Oh, ETH USD is still a sell. ZRX is still a sell. 0x. You got this is here. This is when I bought just a little bit for my hodl stack, right? I should have bought down here, but I was like, I'll just give it a couple days. Kind of forgot, revisited it. I was like, yes, I want ZRX. I'll just buy it now. Apparently, I bought right at the top. So sometimes that happens, even for all of us traders. So 0x is going down. Stay out of it. It's currently at 25 cents. Basic attention token is at 11 cents and holding for the past 4 days. Trading sideways, but stay out of it. ZEC coin USDC is $48.44. Stay out of it. It's still going down. Dash USD $68 and 41 cents. Now this is on the 1 day for Binance. Stay out of it. Yeah, it's still going down. How about Digibyte? Okay, Digibyte lovers, still nothing. We didn't get faked out by this green candle that shot up, made a nice move that day, but we were like, yeah, no, Digibyte, you're going to have to show us a little more than that. We're not taking the bait. We stayed out of it, and who knows, maybe it will go bullish, but certainly not now. I do like the RSI right here. RSI's been running up, but there's no money flow, right? And volume is in the dirt, so forget about it. And look at overall, we've been, boy, the last time we were above the Kumo cloud was on the 2nd of August. So this summer we were bullish, and we've been straight selling off ever since. So hopefully, hopefully we'll get some strength out of this thing soon. But it certainly isn't happening now. Stay out of it. TRX BTC. Oh boy, oh boy. What do we got here? Guys, I hate to be the one, but I gotta call it. It's over. I knew this day would come, and I'm calling it right there. There's your sell. We're out. We are out of here with Tron. So Tron is now a sell. It's been a heck of a ride. If you guys didn't sell at this top and then buy back down on this one, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. But you had a heck of a run up. Currently, we're at 727. We might get a little bounce, but on this candle here that we just finished up today, this big one, I am calling it. It is the 31st candle, and today is the 31st. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, heck of a run. I'm expecting that this is what you're gonna see, because honestly, I think that was your A. There's your B, or your A, B, and now you're gonna see a long C pulling down out of here. I'm not sure where it's gonna go, if it's gonna actually come down to these levels again or what. But let's just say it will come back into the buy zone for Tron. Hopefully. I mean, this is a bold statement, but let's get back here in time, okay? Starting back, our history goes back to the 31st of October, right? We were in that first buy zone, and it punched up through, boom, came back down, kissed this buy zone, right? And just started moving on up. And then the bulls got tired and bears took over, and we kept finding some little bounces. It just barely stayed above the buy zone. It finally went bull, and now I think we're coming back down to test this buy zone once again. So that's just my theory. We'll see how it works out, but we've got our sell here, and let me pull this out of here. I think you've already seen an ABC retracement. This is it. A, B, coming down C, because this top didn't go higher. This top didn't go higher than that one. So, yeah, I'm thinking that's it. Hold on. We'll see where it takes us. But right now, we got our sell in, and remember, put your stop buy in, okay? In case this thing reverses. This is a brand new candle, just barely an hour old, not even that. This is a baby. Got 23 hours left on this candle. It could do anything, including go back up. So if you sell, okay, and we're out, or if you're not out yet, put your sell up higher, maybe on the 9, something like that. Get a good price, man. Get a good price. Don't just dip out. Try to get a good price. Fight for it. It's your money. It's your money. Dang. Don't just give it away. Okay, here we go. Tron BTC, we're out of it. Theta, how's Theta looking? Oh boy, we've got some wicks coming in here. The bulls are battling back, trying to keep it up higher. Theta's been trading sideways for about 4 or 5 days now. Let's see what happens. Honestly, I think this was the real sell here, okay? But we'll see. We're still in it. It's still, bullish, trading sideways. It's in the Kumo cloud. That's always a positive. But honestly, I'm thinking it's going to come back down into our buy zone. This is a buy zone for Theta, okay? So look out. There's a good buy zone here. It's been holding up, right? It gives really good pumps out of the buy zone, and then you got to buy back in when it gets back in it. So that's the Theta MO. Theta BTC, stay in it currently. We've been in it since back here. It's been a nice run up. Hopefully you guys have found some scalping opportunities and are, doing well. I am currently out with the scalping opportunity, and I might just stay out. I'm not sure, but I think it's going to dump. I could be wrong. If it starts running higher, I'll jump back in, but we're in good profit on my end. Proppy, P-R-O, on Bitcoin 1 day Bittrex. It's a sell. Stay out of it. Populous, stay out of it. We've been out of it since the 15th of January. How about OMG? OMG's a funny one. Let me back this baby up. Back the train up. Okay, here was our buy zone. Okay, that was our buy zone. And when OMG came down to the buy zone, there was complete failure. It didn't perform. It didn't bounce. Now, I know there's more info on OMG than September 2017. I just haven't found a better map for it yet. If you guys know of a better map for OMG, let me know, or charts. But as I look at it here with my limited information, we are below the buy zone. So come on now. That's cheap, right? That's real cheap. I'm curious. I got to do a little digging. We'll figure out where the other buy zones are, because remember, this is 0 where this line is here. That's 0. That's when it's free, okay? So hang in there. What makes me sad is Omisi Go, which was a huge project, is just barely more expensive than Human IQ, which is just as I look at it more and more, is not a very good project. So that's a real bummer. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, that's Omisi Go. How about stay out of it? How about Ambrosis? AMB. Stay out of it. Yeah, it's 5.5 cents right now. Don't buy it. Humanique. Stay out of it. It's coming down. Good job, you guys, right? That was our big sell. This was a scalping opportunity. We're coming down. We're going to get a good price on this. I know it. I'm going to get all kinds of stuff. More coins. ADA, BTC. Had a nice run up here on ADA. And a little bit of a breakdown. Tried to go bull again immediately. Within a week, it was a dumping again. Sorry, Cardano fans, it's going down. Like I said in another video, it was looking so good. And I like Cardano. I'm excited about that project. Boy, there's a lot of hype around that project right now. I'll be getting some. I will be getting some. How about NPX? Stay out of ADA, by the way. NPX Pundi is now a sell. Sorry, guys. It's over. It's over for now. Let's see. I'm going to be pushing that one here. Boom. Yeah, that nasty wick came down, came back up, but you know, our volume, everything is looking just kind of sad. This money flow is looking okay, but I'm looking for a dip out of this soon. Pundy is a sell. Let's put that in there. Yes, Pundy. Okay, stay out of it. How about... Let me look at Pundy real quick one more time. Yeah. I was really hoping that it was going to go topside to that Kumo cloud. Man, that was my hope and dream. It just never happened. Now, it could still go topside of the Kumo cloud by trading sideways here, but it's still not a buy right now. How about Neo? How's Neo doing? Neo's still a sell. Wow. That's all right. Okay, XTZ, Tezos, still a sell. QLC chain, still a sell. Aeon, still a sell. Doge, still a sell. Trying to fake us out. Not going to happen. Now, here is our brand new coin that I added to this. Hot. Holo chain, baby. What do we got here? Okay, so Holo chain's been running up. Bullish, bullish, bullish. I'm going to keep it bull. Let's go bull right here. Okay. I don't have any data like, you know, buy or sells. I'm just saying it's a buy right now. Yeah, hold on to it for now. Who knows what it'll do? It could be dumping tomorrow, okay? So just keep that in mind. Yeah. But we're trying to get with a RSI Golden Cross. Money flow is running up. It's still looking good. Holo chain. It's had some, you know, it's running kind of in the positive this whole time. Curious to see about this pulling back through here, back into our buy zone. Here's I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna help you out right now. How about this? We'll say this is our buy zone. Okay. Boom. All right, there's your buy zone. When it dips back in here, let's pick some up, right? Sounds good. It might keep running though, so it's bullish, okay? And it went full bull. Let's see, when did it do that? That was the day right there. I'm going to put this in there, but this is not my call, okay? Anytime you see it with a circle around it, that's not my call. That's just me looking back in hindsight as to when you should have got in it, okay? That's not my call. So, but there are ones out there that don't have a circle around it that are my call. They're my call, and you should be just following along. It's like paint by number. It's super easy. This one is a green. We should be buying it. Then there's reds. You should sell those. All right, let's move back into Bitcoin. Bitcoin $3,410 in the buy zone. But is it going to stay in the buy zone, or are we going to have some dumpage like this, right? You know, there have been times where we were in the buy zone and it just shot right out of there, right? In the buy zone, shot right out. So there's a period of indecision going on here. And, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Hopefully we go topside and just start running. That'd be good. I know a few of us would love to see these alts start pumping a little bit, make us a little bit of money, especially since we got old KicknGravel to show us the way or show us, you know, some more positive trades. Maybe not exactly show you the way. This is not investment advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your homework. And, oh, look, perfect timing. Wife calling. Gotta go. See y'all later. God bless you guys. I'm out.